How to grow and care for Easter cactus. The Easter cactus, also known as holiday cactus, is a tropical cactus known for its prolific star-shaped blooms of various potential colors that tend to bloom in the spring, near the Easter holiday. This easy-to-grow epiphyte doesn't need soil in the wild, preferring rocks, trees, and other plants as its substrate. Easter cactus grows well as a houseplant, in which case it prefers dappled, filtered light and requires loose, well-draining soil so that air can reach its roots. Easter cactus. Care. Easter cacti are fairly easy to keep as houseplants. Here are the main requirements for growing an Easter cactus. Place your Easter cactus in a spot with dappled sunlight or bright, indirect light. Prepare well-draining soil and choose a pot with a drainage hole. Remember that this cactus would never sit in wet soil in the wild. Allow the soil to dry out fully in between watering, and then water thoroughly, allowing the extra water to drain out. Ideally, keep the humidity around your Easter cactus high, as it prefers rainforest conditions. Fertilize regularly during the growing season. Light as a natural forest understory plant. The Easter cactus is accustomed to growing in locations partly sheltered from the sun. Indirect sunlight is best to help this plant thrive. Soil as an epiphyte, Easter cacti do best in porous soil mixes that provide good airflow to their roots. A store-bought cactus and succulent mix would work well, especially when combined with perlite and orchid bark. The plant thrives in a pH range of 6.0 to 6.5. Allow the soil to dry out between waterings, then water thoroughly until the water drains from the bottom. The Easter cactus does not tolerate having its roots waterlogged, so ensure the pot has proper drainage. Do not let any water sit in the saucer after watering. Cut back on watering from late fall to early winter to help encourage blooming. Temperature and humidity. Unlike other plants in the Cactaceae family, the Easter cactus thrives in cooler temperatures. They require cold temperatures to bloom. The Easter cactus will bloom in nighttime temperatures between 55 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. While Easter cacti enjoy humid environments, they tolerate typical household humidity levels. However, if your home is especially dry, provide extra humidity with a humidifier or pebble tray. Fertilizer. Easter cacti appreciate regular fertilization. Apply a balanced fertilizer, such as a 10-10-10, once a month when the plant is actively growing.